Today, we are making a super simple chicken karahi with only 4 ingredients. Some people also call this Chicken Charsi Karahi. It's very popular in Afghanistan and also in many parts of Pakistan. Let's start before you lose patience. First, take 400 grams of chicken thigh pieces. Chicken thighs are perfect because they stay juicy and soft after cooking. Dry chicken is not allowed in this kitchen. Strict rules here. Now, cut the chicken into cube-sized pieces. Not too small, not too big. Just comfortable pieces that cook evenly. Next, take half a kilo of tomatoes. And here comes the interesting part. We are not chopping them into small pieces.
Whole tomatoes? Are you sure?
Yes, trust the process. Just remove their tops and keep them ready. Simple work. Now take about 40 grams of green chilies and cut each chili into 2 or 3 pieces. And that's it. Preparation finished already.
Nice.
Now let's start cooking. Turn on the stove. Take a pan or karahi and pour 1 cup of cooking oil. You can also use ghee if you want extra rich flavor. Once oil starts heating, add the chicken pieces and cook them until they change their color. Now add the whole tomatoes into the karahi. Then add 1 tablespoon of salt, and now add the green chilies. Cover the karahi and cook it on medium heat for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, open the lid carefully. The tomatoes are soft now. Remove their skins slowly. They come off very easily.
Yes, the tomatoes are cooperating nicely today.
Now, cover the karahi again and cook for another 20 minutes on low heat so the chicken absorbs all the flavor.
The aroma is officially everywhere. I'm pretty sure even people outside the house can smell this.
And just like that, our chicken karahi is ready.
Wow, look at that color. Look at that texture. This is restaurant-level confidence right here.
Now, let's quickly prepare a simple yogurt sauce. Take 200 milliliters yogurt in a bowl, add half teaspoon black pepper powder and half teaspoon salt. If you like extra flavor, add 1 teaspoon hand-crushed white cumin. Then mix everything well until smooth.
Perfect. Simple sauce, but powerful personality.
Exactly. Sometimes simple things win the competition.
Especially when they are ready in 1 minute.
Now, the final step, garnish the karahi with fresh ginger slices, green chilies, and fresh parsley or coriander leaves.
It officially looks like restaurant karahi.
Serve this hot chicken karahi with fresh naan. Add some lemon juice on top for extra flavor.
And don't forget salad and yogurt sauce on the side. This combination is dangerous, because once you start eating, stopping becomes impossible.
True. This karahi is juicy, simple, and full of amazing aroma. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more simple and delicious recipes like this.
And watch our next recipe, an amazing chicken naan recipe that might make you forget Italian pizza. Yes, seriously, after that recipe, pizza might get jealous. See you in the next video.